Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide share button in your Chromium Edge browser. So first of all, you just have to Chromium Edge browser, the new browser here. So the share button is here. So if you want to hide the share button from here, you just have to go to your settings option in the three dot menu here. Then go to settings. Then go to the appearance option. And you can see there's an option called show share button. So you can see there's the toggle it on here, so you have to toggle it off here. And now you can see the share button is off. So if you open up a new tab here, now you can see the share button is not here. And if you want to turn that on, you just have to go to the settings and go to appearance, and then just turn it on here, show share button. So that's it guys, this is a very easy and simple tutorial for you. So hope you find this video helpful. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.